Good day, and thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Hena Marie Bagaforo Villanueva, and I am from the Philippines. I am very grateful for this chance to apply and share a little about my background, my experience, and who I am as a person. I finished a bachelor's degree in commerce, major in marketing. My education helped me to develop discipline, responsibility, and good communication skills, which I have carried with me throughout my working years. I worked in the banking industry for more than 7 years. During that time, I learned how to be very organized, detail-oriented, and trustworthy, especially when handling important tasks and dealing with clients. It also taught me how to work under pressure and manage my time effectively. And after that, I worked in a call center for 2 years. This experience helped me improve my communication skills even more. I learned how to speak clearly, listen carefully, and handle different types of people with patience, understanding, and respect. I also became confident in solving problems and staying calm in challenging situations. I also had the opportunity to work abroad in Kuwait as a nanny for 2 years. This experience was very meaningful to me because I truly love taking care of children. I was responsible for their daily needs, such as feeding, bathing, playing with them, and making sure they are safe and comfortable at all times. I treated them with love and care, just like my own children. After my work as a nanny, I continued working as on-call cleaner for 3 years. This job helped me become more flexible and hardworking. I learned how to manage my time efficiently, follow instructions carefully, and maintain cleanliness and in different types of homes. It also strengthened my attention to detail, my ability to work independently. I am also a proud mother of 3 children. Being a mother is one of the most important roles in my life. Through this, I have gained real-life experience in taking care of babies, toddlers, and growing children. My 2 older daughters are already working, and my youngest child is 8 years old and currently studying. Because of my experience as a mother, I understand the needs of children, and I always treat them with patience, love, and care, just like my own family. In terms of household work, I can do cleaning, washing, and ironing clothes, and cooking simple meals. I always make sure that everything is done properly and neatly. I can follow instructions, and I am willing to learn new things based on your preferences and household routines. As a person, I describe myself as simple, hardworking, honest, and trustworthy. I take my responsibilities seriously, and I always do my best in everything I do. I am also respectful, kind, and easy to get along with. I believe that having a good attitude and a positive mindset is very important, especially when working with a family. If given the chance, I would be very happy and grateful to become a part of your family. I will do my best to take care of your home and your loved ones, and I will treat them with the same love and respect that I give to my own family. I also hope to build a good and respectful relationship with you based on trust and understanding. Thank you very much for your time and consideration. I hope to meet you soon.